Hello everyone, my name is Han and today I will talk about Harry Potter and the Goblet of Fire. And today I talk about chapter 5, Weasley Wizard Wheezes. Before any of them could say anything else, there was a faint popping noise, and Mr. Weasley appeared out of thin air at Gilderoy's shoulder. He was looking angrier than Harry had ever seen him. That was not funny, Fred, he shot. What on earth did you give that Mungo boy? I didn't give me anything, said Fred, with another even grin. I just dropped it. It was his fault. He went and ate it. I never told him to. I dropped it on purpose. Dropped Mr. Wesley. You knew he would eat. You knew he was on a diet. How big did his toward get? George asked angrily. It was for food long before his parents could let me drink it. Harry and the Wesleyan roared with laughter again. We didn't give it to him because he was a mango, said Fred indignantly. No, we gave it to him because he is a great bullying kid, said Geoffrey. Is not he, Harry? Yeah, he is. Mr. Wesley, said Harry earnestly. What are you asking without waiters? Harry asked as they climbed. Ron and Ginny both loud on Tom Henry Monaghan. We have been hearing explosions out of the room for eggs, but we never thought they were actually making things, said Ginny. We thought they just liked the noise. All well else were ordinary wizarding level. The examination Howard student took at the age of 15. Just then, a door of the second landing opened, and a fay popped out wearing horn-rimmed glasses and a very annoyed expression. "Hi, Foxy," said Harry. "We are not thundering," said Ron inevitably. "We are working. Sorry if we have dispersed the top secret working of the Ministry of Magic. What are you working on?" said Harry. "Where's Godric Harry and said asked Harry now. "Out in the garden, I expect," she said. He lied showing annoyance. He had never seen any before. "Have you had a good summer, Harry?" said Harry Mon. "Did you get your food parcel and everything?" "I think we have stopped worrying," said Harry Mon to cover the awkward moment, because Ginny was looking curiously from Ron to Harry. "Shall we go down and help your mom with dinner?" Thank you for listening and goodbye.